Hey everyone, I welcome you all to this session. And today in this video, we are going to discuss about loading the data into Snowflake, because in this particular project, we'll be using Snowflake as the data source. So there's a CSV file that we have, and we will load that data into Snowflake first of all. And then we will connect Snowflake to Power BI, and then we'll create the report in Power BI. So basically, I think you must have gone through the previous session in which we have discussed about creating free Snowflake trial account. So first of all, you have to create that account. And then I will just simply click here on create and then SQL worksheet. It might take some time. All right. So now, first of all, we will create a database. So let's create a database by the name Power BI project. Shift up arrow key, select this code, and simply press Control Enter from the keyboard to execute it. So commands completed successfully. Database Power BI project was created successfully. Now we will simply copy a piece of code which is written here. I'll be providing this code in the description box in the resource section. So you can simply copy this code from there, and you can just paste this code here in Snowflake in the SQL worksheet that we have created. Just simply paste it here. And using this code, we will basically create a blank table in which we are ultimately going to load the data from our CSV file. And we will basically use that data for analysis, for reporting purposes. We'll use that. So I am executing this piece of code in order to create that table. So, all right. So here you can see that this create table command is written. I'll just select this piece of code and will simply execute it. So after selecting this, press Control Enter from the keyboard. All right. And it will create a blank table for us by the name Panic Attack Data. If I will now run a simple select statement on this particular table, that is Panic Attack Data. So we may simply write select star from Panic Attack Data, and will execute it. All right, and you will see that this is the output that we got. And these are the following columns that we have. All right. So once we have created this blank table, what we will do, we will now simply load the data into this table. So in order to do that, I will simply click here on Home tab. And then you can see that upload local files. I will be providing the CSV file in the resource section as well, along with this piece of code. So you can download it from there and simply follow along with me. I'll now simply click on Browse and then Panic Attack Dataset. Now you can select the database from here. So the database that we created is named Power BI project. I'll select it. Let the schema be public, and will then simply click on Create New Table, and then click on Panic Attack Data, and then simply click on Next. All right, it might take some time. All right, so there's an error because name of one of the columns is different basically. So the blank table that we have created, in that table, we have named the column as trigger_reason. Trigger_reason, while in our main table the name was trigger. So I will simply select this trigger_reason from here, and this error is gone now. And you can just simply scroll down to check in case if there are other errors, but as of now there are no other errors. We'll then just simply click on load, and it might take some time. Data load might require some time. No worries, we'll wait for some time. Now I will simply click on query data, but here you can see that 1200 records were successfully inserted into the table. We'll now simply click on query data. All right, it might take some time. Fine. If we will now execute the simple select statement that you can see on the screen, if I'll simply select it and press, one second, if I'll select it and press Control Enter from the keyboard, so this is going to show you the top 10 records basically from the output. And this is the result set that you can see. All right, so this is the result set that we have. And that's how we have loaded our data into this table. And from next session onwards, we will discuss about connecting Snowflake to Power BI, and then creating the report. So I hope this video was helpful. We'll meet in the next session. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.